Hello guys, in this video I'll be reviewing and unboxing the Arozzi Colonna microphone. The microphone comes with a user manual, a long USB-A to micro USB cable, The microphone has a heavy metal base to keep it stable wherever you place it, with a rubber button to ensure its placement on your disc and prevent any movements. The microphone can be easily rotated. It has a 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom. On the front of the microphone you have the headphones volume controller to control the volume of playback through the headphones connected to the microphone jack. And on the top you have the mute button, which shows a flashing light when it's muted. As we move the mic controller from one side to the other, the volume increases. The mic has 3 pickup pattern modes: omnidirectional, cardioid and bidirectional. This mode is very useful when there are several people speaking or you want to move around in your recording space. As you can see, I'm moving myself around the microphone and it's collecting audio from all sides. Now on the cardioid pickup pattern, which is ideal for individual use. This pattern picks up audio from the front of the microphone and not the back, and enhances the recording audio by excluding any irrelevant noises behind the microphone. Now we are on the bidirectional pickup pattern, which is optimal for recording interviews. This pattern picks up audio from the front and the back of the microphone while cancelling the audio from the sides. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.